Hello, so in this video we're going to be talking about electron configurations. Electron configurations of atoms and ions up to Z in terms of shells and subshells, orbitals S, P and D. Well, so the first thing we need to know is that electrons are arranged in shells or energy levels, one being closest to the nucleus. Each main shell can hold a maximum number of electrons. With each main shell, there are subshells designated S, P, D, and F. Don't really need to. Okay, so in the S subshell, right, there is a maximum of 2 electrons. In the second level, we have S and P, maximum of 8 electrons. In the third shell, we have S, P, and D, 18 electrons. 4 SPD and F, 32 electrons. So we know this because each subshell contains orbitals, right? So subshell S has 1 orbital, so 2 electrons, which we can see by this diagram here. That is a 1s orbital and 1s subshell, and in that subshell there's only 1 orbital, which is that orbital there. Only 1, so it can only contain 2 electrons. In the P subshell, there are 3 different types of orbitals, and the total number of electrons is 6. So we can see here we've got the P subshell. There are 1, 2, 3 different types of orbitals. Remember, each orbital can only contain 2 electrons, so 2, 4, 6. Hence there. D contains 5 different orbitals, and each orbital can contain 2 electrons. So as we see here, these are our 5 different d orbitals. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each orbital can contain 2 electrons. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Henceforth, we have 10 electrons. In our specification, we don't really need to know about the f orbitals, and basically F are really complicated, but we don't need to know about them. And in an orbital, we can see that there's something called spin. So an unpaired electron is represented by that, and a paired electron is represented by that. So this is how the electrons fill up in their energy levels, starting with the lowest. So we go from 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 3s, 4p, 4s, 3d, 4p. Okay? So we fill in like this, and we need to note that the 4